Oh, hey. Hey, stop! Well, man, I didn't hear from over here.
What the heck? What's that? Hey! Hey!
Yeah.
Where did you come from? The hell? What is that?
I don't even know. I just fell through a little portal. I just end up here. I don't even know. But I'll tell you one thing. If you go through that portal, you will know more than you think you know.
I don't know if I actually want to go through it though.
Come on, man. It's easy. Just follow me.
Man, I really don't want to do this, but I guess here it goes.